There's a new research paper that just came out talking about how birth control can be linked to depression, and that can happen in multiple ways. When we talk about birth control, we're talking about first, you're putting hormones into the system, and those hormones affect everything. Hormones control genes. So if our birth control has high levels of estrogen, that will control something called thyroxine binding globulin, which is part of your thyroid, but it affects your thyroid negatively. So as thyroxine binding globulin goes up, then your thyroid function will go down. It will block your thyroid function. So as you get that exogenous estrogen, it can be damaging. Now, thyroid function or decreased thyroid function is linked to depression. That is an issue. So therefore, birth control can definitely affect whether you feel depressed or not. One of the other things that occurs is it affects your liver. And your liver is actually where you deaminate proteins. You take proteins apart and you create neurotransmitters with those. And if you're not creating the appropriate neurotransmitters, you'll also get depressed. There's a whole lot of ways to get to depression. One of them being birth control can obviously be a problem. I recommend the rhythm method, or wife, daughter, whoever you're talking to who's trying not to get pregnant or doesn't want to be pregnant, checking cervical mucus, see if there's egg white, if it's sticky, if it's creamy. It tells a different part of ovulation in the cycle that they are. Really just paying attention to your cycle, taking your temperature every morning is really the best way to do it, in my opinion, so that you're not harming your hormones, you're not harming your system, and you're very aware of where you are within your cycle.